We'll just go through some of the real basic ways to sort of make pages and do other things. So the first thing for logging in is I just go to live-ucalgary.ucalgary.ca/user, and then it adds this little login for you. And then I click on the Welcome to the University web system, sign in as regular, and then you kind of get this page showing that I'm a team member at ICRP. So that means now when I go to the ICRP page, I will have edit capabilities. So all I do is I leave the same URL and just add, as I add integrated, it pops up. It's set as Integrated Concussion Research Program. It's all written out. When it launches, it'll just be icrp.ucalgary.ca, but for the time being, this is where you'll go. And so now when we end up here, we get these buttons that are pretty noticeable. So that's logging in.